Hi kids, today we are going to teach you problems, Unit 7 for the 9th grade students. Zero conditional. Consequences about zero conditional. Survivor's tales. Consequences. Look at the picture carefully. Think about problems for the environment. What are people doing? Answer the questions. 1. What happens if people chop down trees? 2. What happens if people throw things in the river? 3. What happens if people use old cars? Complete the sentences with these words. Use, throw, chop down, gets, drive, becomes, pollute. 1. If people blank trees, air pollution blank worse. Please think for a while. Let's see the answer. If people chop down trees, air pollution gets worse. 2. If people blank things in the river, the water blank polluted. Okay, now let's see. If people throw things in the river, the water becomes polluted. 3. If people blank old cars, they blank a lot of petrol and blank the air. Think for a while. Now it's time to see the answer. If people drive old cars, they use a lot of petrol and pollute the air. Match the phrases in A and B to make true sentences. Then write them. Column A. 1. If you use a lot of coal and petrol. 2. If you throw litter. 3. If you use too much paper. 4. If we pollute rivers and lakes. 5. If you cut down too many trees. B column. A. The weather changes. B. Fish and other animals die. C. The air gets polluted. D. The streets get dirty. E. They cut down more trees. Could you please match? So it's time to see the answers. If you use a lot of coal and petrol, the air gets polluted. So the correct answer is 1C. 2. If you throw litter, the streets get dirty. 2D. 3. If you use too much paper, they cut down more trees. So correct answer is 3E. 4. If we pollute rivers and lakes, fish and other animals die. 4B. 5. If you cut down too many trees, the weather changes. Last correct answer is 5A. Unjumble the words and complete the sentences. 1. If you chop down trees, the air pollution gets worse. 2. If you chop down trees, a lot of animals die. 3. If you chop down trees near the river, water pollution gets worse. 4. If you chop down trees near the river, a lot of fish die. 5. If you throw litter in the river, the fish die. 6. If you pollute the environment, people become sick and unhappy. About zero conditional. Тэг хэлбэрийн болцол төгөлбөрийн тухай. If plus present simple plus present simple. Use 1. It is used to express conditions which are generally true. Хэрэглээ 1. Тус болцол төгөлбөр нь үргэлж үнэн байдаг нөхцөл түүнээс гарч болох үр дүнг илэрхийлэхэд хэрэглэнэ. For example, if I read on the bus, I feel bad. Хэрэг автобусанд юм уншвал муухай байдаг. Хэрэглээ 2. It is used to express scientific facts. Мөн шинжлэх ухааны баримт мэдээлэл зэргийг илэрхийлэхэд хэрэглэнэ. If you put paper on a fire, it burns quickly. Хэрэг цаасыг гал дээр тавьбал хурдан шатна. Өмнөх дасгалууд дээрх тайлбартай тохирч байгааг анзаараарай. Survivor's Tales Unit 7 Exercise number 5 on page 99. What happens if the things don't work? For example, if mats are wet, you can make a fire. 1. A mobile phone batteries. 2. A compass arrow. 3. A torch lamp. 4. A radio antenna. 5. A life vest torn. 6. A flask pole. Possible answers. 1. If the battery of a mobile phone ends, you can't use it. 2. If the arrow of a compass doesn't work, you can get lost your way. 3. If the lamp of a torch ends, it can be dark. 4. If the antenna of a radio doesn't work, you can't listen to the radio. 5. If a life vest has been torn, it can be safe. 6. If a flask has a hole, you can't keep water in it. For homework, could you please do the exercise 2 on page number 107? Answer for homework. 1D, 2G, 3A, 4F, 5C, 6E, 7B. New words. Go traveling. Аяллаар яв. Campus. Луужин гортог. Carefully. Анхааралтайгаар. Be calm. Тайван байх. Unless, equal, if not. Хэрэв үгүй бол. Survival skill. Амьд үлдэх чадвар. Travel by plane. Онгоцоор аялах. Instruction. Заавар. Emergency. Remote place. Stand, зогсох. Open place, задгай газар. Get lost, төөрөх. Weather forecast, цаг агаарын мэдээ. Be positive, эерэг байх. Follow, дагах мөрдөх. Tip, зөвлөмж. Be able to, чадах, чадвартай байх. Survive. Write full sentences and understand the meaning using the new words. If I go traveling, I will need to take a compass so as not to get lost. Unless I know survival skills, I'm not able to survive emergency situations. If you travel by plane, listen to the instructions carefully and be calm. If you are in an emergency situation, be positive and follow the stop tip. If there is a thunderstorm and lightning, don't stand in open places. If you live in the remote place, you need to listen to the radio and the weather forecast. If you live in a low-lying area near water, you should be aware of flood.
Thank you.